If you want to watch this recipe in Hindi, then check the link below in description box and also subscribe Mridula's Cookbook Hindi channel. Hello everyone, I'm Mridula and once again welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make lemon concentrate or lemon squash and also 3 ways of lemonades that can be made using this lemon squash. So first we need to make lemon concentrate. For this we need 1 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. It took me 15 small size lemons to get this 1 cup of juice. Make sure that there are no seeds in it. For 1 cup of lemon juice we need 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of water and half teaspoon salt. First we need to make sugar syrup. For this in a saucepan take 2 cups sugar. For 2 cups of sugar add 1 cup water. Switch on the flame and set it on low. Keep stirring till all the sugar has melted completely. We need to cook this syrup till we get one string consistency. So to check whether it's done or not, take few drops of syrup on a plate. Let it cool down. Take that drop of syrup on your finger and in this way press it between 2 fingers. You can see there is no formation of string yet, so we need to cook this further. After few more minutes of cooking, we will check again. Now you can see there is a single string forming when you press the syrup between your fingers. This sugar syrup is ready. So quickly turn off the flame and take this syrup out in a bowl and let it cool down completely. Once this sugar syrup has cooled down completely, then to this add lemon juice and salt. Mix everything well. Take a glass bottle and fill it with the squash. Make sure the glass bottle that you use to store this lemon concentrate should be clean and dry. Even slight amount of moisture in this bottle or if you put wet spoon will spoil this concentrate in just a week. Take care of these little things and this syrup will stay good for 3 to 4 months in refrigerator. So let's see how to make 3 different lemonades. First one is simple lemonade. In a glass, take crushed ice or ice cubes. Add 3 tablespoons of lemon concentrate. Add chilled water. This is soaked sabja, that is basil seeds. It is optional. Now place a slice of lemon. That's it. A simple refreshing lemonade is ready. Next flavor is mint and ginger lemonade. For this in a grinding jar add half-inch piece ginger and handful of mint leaves. Add some water and grind this into paste. Take this mint ginger paste in a bowl. Add around 1/3 cup of lemon concentrate. Now add 3 cups of chilled water. Give a mix. Taste this. You can make changes as per your taste, like you can add more lemon squash or more mint and ginger paste. To serve, take some ice cubes in a glass and strain this mixture in it. Place a slice of lemon and mint. Our mint and ginger lemonade is ready. Let's move on to our third flavor, that is masala soda lemonade. For this in a glass, take some mint leaves and give a quick muddle. To this add pinch of black salt, that is kala namak, 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala and pinch of black pepper powder. Now to this add 3 tablespoons of lemon concentrate. Add some ice cubes. Finally add soda to it. Give a mix. Our masala soda lemonade is ready. So here we have 3 different lemonades that can be made using lemon concentrate. Try this recipe, it's very easy to make and also very refreshing. I'm sure you all are going to love it. If you liked today's video, then click on the like button, share it with your friends and family, and also don't forget to click on that red subscribe button. I will see you all soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.